Hey guys, it's Max from Anchor 23 Marketing. The operator told me to send this to you guys, so here's the video showing you what I do, how I do it, and basically how we can get you guys more business in your door. Lots more estimates. So the general gist here is to rank in Google for select key terms that are being searched every month. And really we'd want you in this Google Map Pack as well as organically #1 overall. And I know that these terms are getting searched because I use this tool called Ahrefs, and it shows me that these specific keywords are being searched 150 times a month, and some of these are 50 and 30 times a month, and so it equates to about 260 times a month that general contractors in Miami are being searched. And so that's a lot of people that are actively searching for the service that you guys offer. And so I'm going to show you the 3 main ways that you can get in this #1 spot. Okay, so it starts off with the content on your home page. So if we copy everything that you see here, including what these images are saved for, and we throw it in this word counter, it shows me that you guys have 941 words on your home page. Really, you'd want to double that. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on their home page, and they also want these specific keywords that I just showed you in there in a specific order so that you become relevant to these search terms. Okay, so the second thing that I'm going to show you is if we take your URL here and I throw it into the tool Ahrefs again, it shows me the back end of your website, and it looks like you guys have a lot, like really good health here. As you can see, you want these numbers to be as close as possible, so your health is going really well. You have a lot of backlinks coming from a lot of different people. However, you're not ranking for these specific words, general contractor, Miami, Florida, and that could really be beneficial to you. Like we showed you earlier, there's 260 people searching for it every month. So if we added some backlinks that were specific to that area with your service, then you guys would be able to start ranking for that. Overall though, I mean, you're really kicking it here, and I think that with this, if we specifically targeted Miami, then you guys would rank in no time. Okay. The third and final thing has everything to do with this Google Map Pack, and it's I'm going to use your competition here as an example. They have about 40 citations, and what a citation is the business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, which kind of verifies your Google My Business page. And this brings in about 65% of a conversion rate compared to 40 or 50 if you're not in this map pack, because not only is Google trusting you more by putting you up here, but because you're verified in Google's eyes, then the consumer views you as more professional, and they're going to pick one of these 3 about 65% of the time. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I really hope that it was worth your time and informative. All that I ask in return is that you give me a little bit of feedback. What are your thoughts on this video, either via phone or email. So I do appreciate it. Thank you all for your time.